This is going to be read for sign of Libra, all that you need to know for the next 7 days. Let's start. Welcome back to the channel. So what's your overall energy like next couple of days? Okay, right now you feel like something is still unfinished, like something is still left undone. Okay, in the past I believe you were trying to release yourself, but right now you still feel like something is still left. Something is either left to be said or to be done. Okay, you still feel unfinished in terms of your connection, in terms of your cycle with someone. Okay, one more card. Okay. With King of Pentacles, I also see your main focus being on your finances this very week. Okay, maybe things were not looking so good for you in the past week. So this week, your focus is truly going to be on your financial life. Okay, you're going to work harder, try harder. With Judgment card, I believe you've already got the knowledge of what you are waiting on, or whatever you are, like answer call. I believe that is coming, or that will come. Okay, one more card. In terms of your connection, what is happening? In terms of Libra soulmate connection, what is happening? In terms of soulmate connection, you both are wanting what you guys want. I mean, suppose um, you both are being stubborn, to be honest. You both are having an idea or having a plan in mind, and maybe you do not uh, go by it like together. You want something else, they want something else, so you both are fighting right now. I don't think there's lots of communication happening. You guys might be in some bits of contact, but I don't see lots of communication happening. Okay, in the past, one card for the past. In the past, however, I do feel the past week could have been full of ups and downs. You did enjoy yourself, but yeah, overall it has been good. But in terms of your love life, things are not going smooth. Okay, bottom card, Ace of Pentacles. I believe financially things will improve, but your love life, I cannot comment much. It's a Libra love life, so you can't really say much. Okay, one card for your person. What is your person going through? There's going to be extended by the end of this reading. Okay, it's going to be purchasable. Your person somewhat seems like they are disinterested. They have been lying, they have been cheating, they have been doing their shit. But I do not see them completely focused on you, to be honest. If they've been stalking you, if they've been doing shit behind your back, then I see their attention going elsewhere. I'm just trying to be honest here. If you're one of those crybabies who are super sensitive, then this might not be your reading. Okay. One more card for what are they going through. With the Devil card, they might be possibly more focused on their addictions. They could be using their addictions to, as a way to stay away from you, like distractions. Okay, I do feel they are connected to something that they are not supposed to. The reason why they haven't been so much focused on you like they used to be is because they are giving into something else that they are not supposed to. Okay, one more card for how do they think of you now? How do they think of you now? With Page of Swords, I believe this person isn't giving much. They are still behaving childish, immature, not there at all. Okay, they'd rather watch you from a distance than do something towards you. Okay, one card for the past, please. One card for the past. In the past, this person could have tried to come over or possibly try to reach out or message, but right now I see resistance from their side, to be honest. Okay, in the past, for some of you, your person could have reached out, could have, but right now it's gone back to square one. Okay, they are still pretending, you're still pretending, and there's a bridge between the two of you. You someone has to cross it, to be honest. Okay, so one card. How do they view you now? How do they view you now? With Two of Swords, they feel like you are undecided, you do not know what you want, or some of them may even feel like you may not want them anymore, like you are completely closing your life. You're not really wanting to focus on them. You're basically wanting to look elsewhere. Okay, they may look at you that way. Okay, how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? In terms of thinking, we have the Empress in the reverse, which tells me that right now they could be not very focused on wanting this to grow or wanting this to move forward. They are sabotaging the connection. They are holding themselves back. They are not really wanting to give in. They're not wanting to build it together. Okay. One card for what really got in the way. What really got in the way, Spirit? I believe for selected few of you, they were focused elsewhere. Ten of Cups. They thought their happiness lies elsewhere right now. There could have been another party or another person that came in the way, and for some, for some short time, that person could have made them feel good. Okay, so that person was their distraction. Reason why things are not happening with the two of you is because there is something in between the two of you. I won't say that everyone has a third party because that is impossible, but either their parent got in the way, or a sibling got in the way, or ex-wife got in the way, or some fucked up friend got in the way. Okay, one more card. What do they want from you now? What do they really want from you now? The Judgment card. Please clarify the Judgment for me. What is this Judgment here? I still believe that they want to stay in contact with you. It is not like they do not want to, they still want to reunite. But in terms of relationship commitment, that is something I do not see very strongly yet. They may still want to be friends with you, they may still want a second chance, they may still want you to take them back in your life, but take them back in your life not in terms of relationship, rather still being in contact. Okay. What are they looking forward to with you? What are they looking forward to? They do not want this to get over. Even if the third party is still around, they do not want this to get over. With High Priestess, they are still wanting to stay silent about it, not do much about it, but at the same time stay connected. Okay, it's like many of you guys feel this connection regardless if you guys are physically in contact or not. You feel connected, and that is something. And that's even they are going through the same shit. Even if you guys are not in physical contact, even if there's another person, they cannot completely get done with you. Even if they are pretending to be not giving a fuck, though they are giving into their distractions, their addictions, that isn't working much. Okay, one card for their feelings. One card for their feelings. What do they truly feel for you now? In terms of feelings, they are holding back but holding on. This is not a good card for feelings. It's like where someone behaves like, you are mine, but I'm not going to do shit about it. I'm not going to express myself. I'm not going to act on it. Nothing. I'm just going to hold it together like it's mine. Okay, like the card that is showing up. One more card for how would they be coming in front of you, or how would they express themselves for the next couple of weeks. What do we see happening, Spirit? Yeah, still trying to behave single, still trying to behave like they do not belong, like they are on their own. This person is very much narcissistic, to be honest. It's like, you are mine, but I am still single. Sorry, that's my dog. So yeah, with Nine of Pentacles, I feel this person will hold on to you, but not do much about the connection, just like I told you. Okay, not everyone would connect with the reading. Some of you might be having a good love life, not so fucked up. Okay, in terms of their feelings, what do they truly have in their heart space? What do they truly have in their heart space? In terms of their heart space, we have Six of Wands, which tells me that this person still feels good in your presence. They know that you are that one person that makes them feel good, but they doubt the longevity of the connection, to be honest. They doubt that this would be successful, In their hate space, what's going on? In their hate space, what's going on? In their hate space, this person is still wanting to keep things very casual, very practical, not wanting to give in much. Six of Pentacles is a card where someone is just staying there for the sake of it, not really acting on it. Like, would give you breadcrumbs to keep you holding on to it, not really doing extra. So that's what I see for now. In terms of their overall intentions towards you, they still want you to be stuck on them. They still want you to be holding on to them. They do not want you to give up. They do not want you to walk away. I know this is extremely narcissistic, but that's what your person is, I believe. Okay. In terms of where this is going forward, with Page of Pentacles, I believe you guys might get communication, but do not expect much from your person. Okay, I still feel your person is going to behave like an asshole. I'm sorry, but I just got to speak what my spirits are telling me about. Okay, and what's the final outcome going to be by the end of this week? What's the final outcome going to be? I still feel with King of Cups, you guys both have feelings for each other, but you guys would rather never express it. This person is still behaving like a player, so would still behave like a player. Overall, what can Libra expect throughout the week? With Queen of Wands, darling, I do feel someone is interested in you. Besides this person, you do have another option. Okay. With Knight of Pentacles, you are not wanting to go forward in this connection. You are still wanting to take your time. If it's a new connection, I believe you're going slow. If it's the past connection, darling, it's basically going nowhere. I mean, you guys could still talk, communicate, but I do not feel it's getting to a point of commitment. Not yet. Okay. So yes, this was your reading for the month of March. For the next week. So if this resonated, kindly hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section. Your extended is going to be available on Etsy for $4. Okay. So yeah, all those who are interested could buy. If you are part of my membership, that is YouTube membership, option 2, 3, 4. You guys are going to get it on the extended version, on the membership version. So that's going to be free, but you have to enroll in the membership. Not the first option, but second, third, and fourth. That is the 48-hour readings, the weekly readings, and the extended reading option. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. And all those who are wanting a personal reading with me, kindly reach out on the website. Book one that fits best for you. All those who are on WhatsApp could reach out. Let me know your situation, and I'll let you know which reading works best for you. Thank you so much. Cheers.